A lot of people don't want to go outside when it's dark, cold, or wet. But in reality, it's just as cool now as in when it's sunny outside.
Luckily for us, it's all three, so let's go find cool things in nature.
Okay, so here we are in an old-growth forest, and as you can see, it's very dark. But as we were saying, even when it's dark outside, it's not scary at all. It's rather...
Ah! Hi guys!
Hello, Dexter.
Welcome to an old-growth forest. The cool things about these forests is that they're very open, which is really good because if you're running through, you don't want to poke your eyeball out. Another cool thing about old-growth forests is that in the winter, they block most of the snow, which makes them a great haven for deer. But these forests in northern Wisconsin primarily consist of hemlocks, though there used to be many white pines, although these were cut down in the early 1900s by the loggers. Old-growth forests are just an amazingly cool thing that we have, and there aren't very many of them left. Welcome to Cool Thing in Nature. Ah!
This is an uncool thing in nature. All of this is balsam fir trees, which are invasive, and they have taken over this section of the forest.
You can't really see it because it's dark, so kind of walk along and Aaron will explain to us why this is an uncool thing in nature.
So balsam fir are very prolific growers, and they grow a lot faster than many of the native species, like yellow birch, pine, especially white pine, and hemlocks, which are the slowest growers. And so once a thicket of balsam fir has formed like this, there is very little chance of it becoming a healthy forest again unless it is thinned out and plant white pines and other trees that would grow here.
Yep.
Uncool thing in nature. Another cool thing in nature.
Yep.
So here are some tracks that we found. Deer. And I've been following them for a little bit. I came. You can kind of see where its toes, I don't know if you can see it, you can see where its toes dug into the snow, so you can tell that it went this way.
You can tell right here by the drag marks that it made a slight hop and something startled it. And it landed on 2 feet at the same time right here and here, so it probably stopped and looked at whatever startled it, and it continued moving over here. Looks like it's a pretty young deer too. It stopped again here, and it looks like it gave a warning, whatever.
Warning, stop. Really
They
distinct
stomped their
track.
front feet.
Yeah, I can see it there.
And it looks like it continued off into the woods.
Cool things in nature. Goodbye. Snow is a really cool thing in nature because you can do this. Snow Angel! This is an uncool thing in nature. Wonder who did this. Shame on them. Actually, this was me, by accident. But still, uncool. Hey guys, the ice is decently thick today. Been walking on it for a while, only a crack or two, but, you know.
Careful out there.
I'm good, we're fine.
Okay.
Ah!
Dexter! You.
Hey everybody. Going through the ice was a really bad idea. Okay, top list of things not to do at home. Jumping off buildings and walking on frozen lakes. That was cold. Now, when you go through the ice, you want to get out, and then once you come back inside, you want to change into dry clothes, and then wrap yourself up in a blanket and sit by the fire. Nice fire. Anyway, fire is also a cool thing in nature, and so are frozen lakes, but right now, I think I prefer the fire. Cool thing in nature.
This is an uncool thing in nature.
Light pollution! Darn it.